Impacts of mining. Surface piles of waste destroy scenic beauty. Deforestation destroys wildlife. Dust and noise pollution for the workers and the local residents. Workers may die due to suffocation, explosions, or earthquakes. Underground mining lowers the water table. Erosion is caused. Conservation of environment damaged by mining. Landscaping/restoration. Bulldozers can be used to level and smooth out the surface. Land is made to look like a natural landscape so that it looks like it hasn't been disturbed by mining. Treed grasses can be planted. Reclamation. The land can be reclaimed from mining to be used for farming. Farmers may be able to start using the land again. Landfilling. It's a cheap and easy way to dispose of waste. The waste is tipped into the hole left by mining. From time to time it is leveled off and compacted. When full, the land can be reclaimed for other uses. Fossil fuels as a source of energy. Coal, oil, and natural gas. Formed from decomposition of plants and animals over a period of millions of years. Coal is extracted via mining. Natural gas and oil are trapped under the impervious rock layer and at the top of the sandstone rock layer. A drilling rig is used to extract oil and gas.